ready? You guys ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's start the show.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hello, everybody.
Hello, hello.
Another Drinks with Boy episode in my house, chilling with my two friends now, guys. Di sini ada Ari and Andrina. Nih, gue udah tahu nih kalau kalian datang ke rumah pakai baju gini, you come here to promo, right?
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
New movie,
Yes, new movie.
Rocky Soraya.
Yeah.
What?
Rocky Soraya,
That's
Rocky
my
Soraya.
friend.
Wow.
Wow, ini film apa Rocky?
Yeah.
Rocky.
Oh my, kenapa dia nggak datang? Why is he not here?
Harusnya dia ikut ya di sini.
Coba
Harusnya
let's
chillin.
call him. Coba
Ayo chillin di sini.
Let's try call him. Nomor dia masih sama nggak ya?
Oh itu nyambung.
Calling tapi calling doang.
Ya ngeringin.
Calling centang satu. Gue di blok apa? What did I do to you, Rocky? Why is it centang satu bro? I don't like this. Centang satu lagi anjir. Gila. Anyways, cheers. Cheers. Welcome to my house ya guys.
Thank you.
Cheers, thank you so much.
Thank you for coming loh. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Really good.
Ngapain aja? What you been up to?
Aku sibuk promo. Aku bikin lagu juga sama lagi promo juga tetap.
Promo. And you, same?
Same.
Yeah,
Promo aja
promo.
sih ya.
Promo.
Oh my god, I remember that live. Dulu waktu aku main film Rocky.
Iya.
Ya, after filming kita promo terus. Karena kita keliling kemana-mana gitu kan. Oh, I miss that live. It's actually fun.
Yeah, it's
loh.
fun.
It is.
It's very fun. Karena you get to meet a lot of people.
Yeah.
Cuman aku cuma benci satu.
Apa tuh?
Setiap promo, they ask me the same shit.
Iya.
Pertanyaannya selalu sama. Jadi kayak, oh my god man, kenapa gua nggak voice note aja and you play it?
Basic questions.
You right?
Basic questions.
Right?
Yeah.
Pasti begini pertanyaannya nih. Filmnya ceritanya tentang apa? Bener gak?
Karakternya gimana?
Karakternya gimana? It's always the same question. Terus apa bedanya lu main film ini sama film-film
Iya,
sebelumnya?
benar.
Bener gak?
Benar.
Lu udah denger itu berapa kali?
So many times.
1,000 times.
1,000 times.
Yeah.
And what do you normally say? Ini coba ya,
Just
simulasi
the
ulang.
The same stuff.
Simulasi ulang. Ini filmnya tentang apa guys?
Ini ceritanya tentang kosan dari point of view Lena yang baru dari Jakarta ke Malang nyamperin kakaknya plus juga kuliah di sana dan ternyata pas udah nyampe sana ada hal-hal yang aneh gitu.
Oke. Terus apa bedanya main film ini sama film-film sebelumnya? Right?
Yeah, right. Bedanya kali ini kita lagi di podcast ya.
And we drinking.
Cheers.
Rocky, you should be here, Rocky. Oh my god. By the way, disclaimer: we're drinking tea.
This is
Yeah,
tea.
this is
This is tea.
I think
It's
it's
not
chamomile
alcohol. Biasanya it's alcohol, seperti kalian tahu. Cuman karena ini siang hari, they came too early. I don't want to get drunk too early.
Yeah.
And you guys are kids, no?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm
24.
18.
You're 18, girl.
Yeah.
And you?
24.
Bro, muka lu nggak kayak 24.
Alhamdulillah.
Bro, lu kayak bocah. No.
Alhamdulillah.
This guy, you're 24?
Iya, 24.
Kamu berapa?
This year.
26. Oh, oke. Nih, lu tuh punya tipe-tipe muka kayak dia. No, like tipe-tipe yang bocah banget, yang nggak bakal bisa tua gitu.
Iya. Amin.
Good. And you're 18?
I'm 18.
Wow, you're fresh off the boat. How long have you been in this industry for? I mean, you're a big name.
I started when I was like 3 years old, I think if I can remember, or
3?
maybe 4. Yeah. I started like from a commercials.
Iklan.
Iklan, yes. Abis itu baru kayak ke sinetron.
Right, and this is film kah? Like a lot?
Like 10,
10?
9, 8, I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh, sorry, celebrity. That's a lot of movies. What's your favorite movie yang pernah kamu mainin?
Probably this one.
Really?
I have a really good experience here.
Biasa promo.
No, but for real, for real.
Really?
Yeah.
This is your favorite?
Yeah, this one is my favorite.
And which one's your worst?
Oh no, I'm gonna say it.
Mancing.
Tell me why this is your favorite. Now you're getting me curious.
Well, because a lot of the people there, the ages are like very similar, so we
Okay.
hang out like a lot. Kayak lebih nyambung. Terus juga overall the story I really like it,
Yeah.
The story is
and I
good?
think it's very different from the other like horror story.
Really?
Yeah.
Mungkin nggak banyak ya yang ngambil tema kos-kosan gitu ya. Belakangan ini gitu.
Iya.
Dan Regonyo ini salah satu film horor yang bisa dibilang menggambarkan kos-kosan dan juga kultur. Karena di sini tuh bukan orang Jakarta atau nggak Jawa doang, karena ada orang Medan, ada orang Surabaya.
Yang di dalam kos-kosan itu.
Jadi benar feel kayak merantau banget gitu kita.
Oh, terus apa beda sama horor lain? Lu bilang beda sama horor lain. That's what they all say. Dulu gue juga main horor dia, gue juga bilang beda kok punya gue. Terus yang bikin beda apa?
Well, I mean the experience-nya aja. The experience-nya karena ketika nonton film Rogo Nyawa mungkin kalian bakal merasakan experience yang relate gitu.
Right.
Maybe karena mungkin aku juga pernah ngekos dulu gitu ya. Dan ketika aku merasakan Ben Hur di sini aku merasakan apa yang aku rasakan dulu gitu.
Oh.
So it's gonna be relate to teman-teman yang ngekos gitu.
Tau gak, gue tuh I'm a big fan of horror movies. Gue demen banget, I'm a horror geek. Kayak gue demen banget semua kayak The Conjuring Universe. Semua kayak gitu tuh gue suka. Dan gue demen banget film yang gue gak bisa tebak endingnya. You know what I mean? Kadang-kadang semakin kita nontonin film-film horor terus karena itu genre yang kita suka, kita kayak udah bisa pinpoint nih, kita udah bisa tahu nih kira-kira nanti di mana nih, ntar apa yang akan terjadi. What about this ending? Is it something yang different, mind-blowing? Don't ruin it for me ya, karena gue mau nonton loh.
Wait.
Bisa dibilang sih.
Bisa dibilang ya?
Karena kan dipikirnya cuma
itu.
Karena kan very very.
Is it scary?
It's scary.
It's scary.
Have you seen it?
Well, haven't.
Then how do you know?
Well, from the shoot.
Karena kita syuting. Karena gini, production design, hitmaker, Paroki, you know lah.
Yeah, he's good.
The makeup, the horror stuff, they never failed.
Right, he's good.
It's really good.
Yeah.
It's really good. Dan hantu-hantu yang ada di sini, makeupnya tuh beneran applause banget buat tim art sama makeupnya.
Really?
Ketika kita pertama kali ngelihat dan ketika kita pertama kali photoshoot bahkan dengan si hantunya buat poster, oh damn, this is scary.
Really? Kayak apa? Kunti atau apa?
Pocong.
Pocong?
Iya.
Ada trailer nggak? Do you guys have the trailer with you? Lihat dong.
Oh, udah ada official trailer.
Mana sini?
Udah ada, tapi belum rilis, kan jam 5.
Kita juga belum lihat.
Kalian juga belum lihat? Coba.
Kamu di Malang, jangan takut.
Di Malang
Apapun yang
ya?
terjadi di sana, kamu harus berani.
Nanti bilang ke kakakmu ya.
Wow.
Sering-sering telepon mau apa-apa. Aku senang dia bisa kuliah di sini. Akhirnya bisa bareng-bareng lagi sama
I
kamu.
love the color grading.
Penghuni kos di sini semuanya ada 10 orang. Dan mereka semuanya sudah seperti keluarga.
500.000 sebulan sebagus ini.
Kayaknya aku bakal betah tinggal di sini.
Sekarang kita berdoa menurut kepercayaan kalian masing-masing. Tetap sedoso. Mugi tansah diparing kasarasan.
Doanya ibu supaya kita semua sehat dan rukun.
Keren lagi.
Pergi sekarang juga, kalau nggak mau ada yang mati.
Andrina and Ari, keren banget. No, this is good. It's really nice.
Thank you so much.
It's really- I like the color grading. I think the trailer is very nice.
Thank you so much.
Dan the props di situ bagus loh. Jadi it looks really really nice and legit.
Salut banget sama production desainnya sih.
Yeah. Wow. How long did you film that thing?
Sebulan lebih.
Terus kalian semua ke Malang?
Enggak.
Okay, so the set is in Malang, but it's filmed in Jakarta.
Jakarta, Padalarang, Bogor.
Malang juga.
Malang sih, udah pasti ada Malangan lah.
Ada
pasti
pasti
exterior shots-nya
Malang
pasti
ya?
ngambilnya di Malang.
Terakhir ya?
Oh wow. So nice though guys, kita harus nonton ya. Nanti premiernya kita diundang nggak? Berapa undangannya? Ini dikasihnya berapa?
Nego.
Ini undanganku di sini. Oh, coba lihat kita dikasih berapa? Wow. Kita dikasih 4 undangan, guys. Let's go. Kurang 10. But hey, kalau kalian undang, we'll come. Like, we really want to see it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm a huge fan. I told you, I like horror movies gitu. And I know you guys, kerjaan kalian kan, I see you guys a lot lah. Maksudnya nama-nama kalian is in many movies. Ya kan, Sandrina, Ari, I see it a lot. Dan I know your work is amazing work. You guys always do great work.
Thank you.
Ya kan? Are you happy with your performance here?
Yeah.
You're happy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really happy.
Iya, karena syutingnya juga sebenarnya nggak bisa dibilang mudah sih.
Bener.
It's very hard.
Really?
Especially the scenes.
Yeah?
It's like there's a lot of hard scenes.
Like what? Give me one.
Banyak banget di di goa. Dan itu keren banget karena goanya bikin sendiri. Jadi kita syuting di studio, habis itu goanya dibikin bener-bener kayak goa asli, and we shoot there like 2 days, right? Or 3 days.
3 days ya.
Yang pengap banget, susah
Oh, wow.
banget.
Itu lumayan hard for us to breathe karena itu ventilasinya nggak ada banget di sana.
Iya, nggak ada.
Panas dong?
Panas, jadi gitu kayak sauna.
Iya.
Oh, wow.
Iya.
Dan ada obor banyak banget nyala.
Oh, wow.
So it's really hot.
Wow.
And I wear
Tahu
hoodie.
nggak? You wore a hoodie. Bro, sucks to be you. Males banget jadi lu. I'm so excited for your movie, you guys. I'm telling you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It better be good.
I hope so. Yeah.
You put my hopes up here. Ekspektasi gue sekarang udah di sini loh. I'm not gonna make it go down ya.
Please. No pressure.
So what you busy with other than this? You do music, you said?
Yeah, music.
Yeah, and more
produce
films
band.
after?
Yeah, more films.
Yeah? Emang you're born to be actor?
Sebenarnya enggak sih. Sebenarnya dulu tuh justru nggak kepikiran buat masuk jadi aktor. Dulu tuh gue DJ.
Okay.
Gue DJ dan akhirnya tiba-tiba terjun ke dunia seni peran.
Okay.
Dan tiba-tiba suka aja sama seni peran.
Yeah?
Dan lanjut sampai sekarang.
Yeah, but you're doing a good job, brother.
Thank you so much.
What about you, Sandrina?
This past a few days, promo-promo aja sih.
Just promo?
Iya, nggak
You
ada.
have a next movie coming?
Oh, well, it's still long. Masih jauh banget.
Masih jauh, but
Iya.
you're already in dealing with the next one?
I guess, ya.
Yeah?
Iya.
Oh my God. You too? Are you dealing with the next one?
Iya.
Already?
Yeah,
Oh shit. How much do you get paid?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm sure you're expensive. 1 M?
Hopefully.
1 M?
Amin. Semoga. Amin.
Berarti di bawahnya,
Amin.
di atasnya.
Amin banget.
answer.
Yeah.
That's good, man. That's good. Do you do movies for the money or for the movie?
Both.
Both, yeah.
If there's a movie and you really like the script, tapi they only want to pay you 10.000 rupiah, would you take it? But you really like the script. Oh, ini bagus banget nih, sumpah. Ini karakter yang aku impi-impikan, cuman 10.000 rupiah doang. Maaf banget, production house kita kurang punya budget, tapi kita bisa kasih kamu makan kok setiap hari nasi box.
Amin jangan 10.000 banget lah.
15.
Jangan 10.000 lah. Yeah, it's okay lah.
You would take it?
Yeah, if it's really good and impacts the society well, I would do it.
Oh, you would do it. So, okay, so you do it for the art.
Yeah.
You too?
I will consider it.
You will consider it. Okay, if the movie you're playing with Jackie Chan and Gal Gadot, would you take it?
Woi,
I would take it.
For free?
Yeah.
Free? Of course.
Yeah.
Gas aja. Gas.
For free, tapi kan dapat residual payment.
You're smart. You're smart. Okay. I want to do movies again now, guys. Jadi kangen deh main film. I'm not a good actor, that's the thing.
No, you good.
No, I'm really, really bad. Gue tuh nggak bisa acting. Gue gampang ketawa.
Break character.
Iya, gue gampang break character. Dan kedua, apalagi kalau karakternya disuruh aneh-aneh gitu ya. Misalkan lu harus jadi orang yang nggak banyak ngomong, terus lu ngomong Jawa doang gitu.
Ya itu susah sih ya.
Itu susah.
It's so hard. Gue pernah main film. Waktu itu yang main gue sama Aldi Taher. Tahu? Aldi Taher beneran orang Sunda.
Iya.
Oke? Dia disuruh main jadi orang kota. Gue yang orang kota disuruh jadi orang Sunda. Ngomong Indonesia aja nggak lancar, disuruh ngomong Sunda. Lu bayangin, that was so freaking hard.
Peer pressure.
Bro, susah banget, man. Terus pas gue nonton di premiere ya, gue malu.
Trust the process.
At least I got paid.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
How does it work? How do people approach you to play in their movies? So they call your manager and then you get the script. You read the script first. Apa what happens?
We got a call from our manager,
Yeah.
terus dikasih synopsis, and then we read it, and then we can just say if we agree or not,
Okay.
if we like it or not, yeah.
And who tells them about the budget?
Oh,
Oh, really wanna know?
I wanna know. I wanna know. Do you tell them? Do you tell your manager?
Mungkin bisa dibilang manajernya udah tahu kan,
Iya.
the price list and everything, and then we just give our opinions aja. Do we agree on that price or not?
Iya.
Karena biasanya pasti udah ada price list
Iya,
untuk
iya.
masing-masing kan.
Right. Has there been a moment you're like, nah, I think we need to raise it?
Pasti ada negosiasi.
Iya pasti ada lah.
Pasti ada dong.
Pasti ada.
Right.
Enggak yang langsung agree, tapi pasti ada. Cuman ya we discuss it with our manager.
I see. You know what I still want to ask?
What?
How much is it?
Let me ask first. How about you? How much?
You can ask me. The problem is I don't play movies anymore. What do you want to know? You can ask me anything.
Before?
Back then,
Yeah, back then.
$5 million US dollars.
What?
I'm joking lah.
$5 million.
Kalau sampai iya anjir. Gue main film lagi besok.
That's crazy.
Gila. No, of course not. Produksinya aja nggak segitu. If you guys weren't actors today, what would you guys be?
I think I'm gonna be a musician.
Or you'd still be a musician. Masih entertainment dong, bro.
Entertainment, ya.
What about you,
I would be-
Sandrina?
I don't know, like a doctor.
Yeah?
Yeah, that was my dream.
Are you still gonna go to university, right?
Probably, but
you
I
know
like
you-
it here now.
Okay.
I'm enjoying this.
Does your parents tell you to go to uni though?
Not really.
They're like terserah aja.
Iya,
gitu.
terserah.
And it's okay if you don't go.
Iya,
Kalau lanjutin di career ini juga nggak apa-apa mereka.
iya.
That's good. I'll tell you something. Uni is for people who wants to find a job and also networking lah.
Yeah.
Ya kan? So you have a degree biar kita bisa dapat job.
Iya.
Kalau if you already have a job and you like your job and you think you can go far with that job, I don't think you really need uni. I don't think you really need uni. Maybe I might be wrong saying this, tapi nggak semua orang se-privilege kamu gitu yang udah punya karir di umur yang muda. Jadi mayoritas orang masih harus tetap kuliah untuk dapat degree itu. Kalau nggak dia mau kerja di mana?
Iya.
You know what I mean?
Tapi I mean like mungkin kita juga butuh kuliah karena suatu saat kan mungkin kita bakal meredam gitu.
Biar untuk nyari pekerjaan
Untuk cari
lain.
pekerjaan lain gitu.
You're right.
Mungkin ambil komunikasi atau bisnis mungkin tuh bisa baik gitu.
Itu benar bro yang lo ngomong. Dunia tuh pasti berputar.
Iya.
You just have to get used to it and be ready.
Iya, be ready.
Be ready. Duit diapain? Kalau kalian dapat duit, what do you do with the money?
I'll invest it.
Good. You smart. What about you?
Yes ya, udah nabung.
Nabung. Yeah, you gotta reinvest.
Yeah.
Jangan belanja-belanja yang enggak.
No, of course not.
Yeah, girls.
Yes I know.
How many? Yeah.
I'm 50-50.
Oh, 50-50.
How many Chanel bags, Birkin bags in your closet? Yeah, kita support mereka nonton their new movie.
Rogo Nyawa.
Yes, coming out tanggal 31 Juli, you guys, all over
Yes.
theaters in Indonesia. And pokoknya didoain filmnya laris, sukses.
Amin.
Amin.
Ya kan? And all your future projects kedepannya juga kita doain it will be a smooth ride for you guys.
Amin. Amin.
Ya kan? And then see you again
Thank you.
Thank
See you
you.
again.
somewhere else.
Bye-bye.
Don't be a stranger, okay?
Yeah, of course. No.
When we see each other, say hi.
Cheers. Of course.
All right, that was Drinks with Boy with them, guys. Bye.